Welcome back to the lecture series of Python programming. In this video, I'm going to discuss most important question from Module 2. Module 2 is basically focusing on the list, then string, tuple, and the dictionary. So these are the important data structure you are going to learn in Module 2. Now let's see what are the most important repeated and the expected questions in the forthcoming examination. First question is, what do you mean by list? Explain the different list methods such as append, insert, remove with a suitable example, which carries 10 marks. So the marks distribution will be 2 plus 8. Okay, 2 plus 8. Then how is tuple different from list, which is the function used to convert list into tuple? Explain in brief. So like tuple is immutable, where list is mutable. So that is a major difference. The list is represented by using the square bracket, where tuple is usually represented by parentheses. So we can easily convert the tuple into list. Okay, there are two methods to convert tuple into list and vice versa. Explain the following methods: keys, value, item, and set default. Set default not mentioned, no problem. Keys and value and items. These are the most commonly used in the dictionary. Dictionary is nothing but the like it's one kind of data structure which you can represent in the form of key and value, key value pairs. The key and value can be any type of data type, right? Apply the following methods in the list with a suitable example. Sum, then maximum. Sum means like sum of all the items will be computed. Maximum means from the group of items you can identify the maximum value. Even minimum, you can identify the minimum value of item. The extend you can apply like you can easily add two type of list. Then remove, you can eliminate any particular element. Write the function called most frequent that takes the string and print the letters in the decreasing order of frequency. So this is this is available in the higher order thinking questions, which I already explained you in the previous session. You can check it up. This is also most important question which you can expect in the forthcoming examination. Now, another important question is the tuple are immutable, illustrated with the help of programming example. So you can apply any kind of comments like extend or append. So if you go for like extending or appending, obviously you will be getting an error. Traceback error you will be getting. So consider a tuple, apply any kind of method such as deleting or remove, something like that. If you apply, you will be getting a traceback error. That means the the tuple is immutable where list is mutable. So there is a numerical example. One list is given. You have to apply the different type of indexing method. So you should understand the different type of indexing. Okay. So if you understand the indexing, you can easily solve this problem. Develop a Python program to find the mean, variance, and standard deviation. So you can easily use. You are supposed to import NumPy. Using the NumPy module, you can easily do the mean, variance, standard deviation, etc. Explain the following list methods such as index, then insert, sorting, reverse, etc. Develop the Python program to create 10 key value pairs and print only the keys on the screen. It is the programming related to dictionary. It can expect in the examination. Explain the set and set default method which are used in the dictionary. That is also quite simple. So these are the important questions which are applicable for dictionary and tuple list, etc. Few more questions are pending. So explain the following list method: copy, then len to measure the length of a list, pop, push and pop, then delete. Then develop the Python program to accept the numbers and store in the list. Print only the odd number. That is also most important. Write the algorithm with suitable program segment. Write a menu to develop implement the stack using the list. Here you are supposed to use the pop and push instructions. Write a program to implement search and replace the multiple occurrence of a given substring and main string in the list. It is one of the HOT program, higher order thinking. So another one is also related to higher order thinking. Write the menu-driven program to implement the stack using the list. Okay, these are the important questions you can expect in the forthcoming examination. Almost 90-95% these questions will be asked in the forthcoming examination. Let me know if you have any queries related to these questions. I can help you by providing the tips in the comment box. If you require such kind of assistance, please contact with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Wish you all the very best for your examination.